Welcome back to section 1.2 of the web development course, and I've updated my website. If you go to the website, link will be in the description, and then go to the course section, you'll see all the courses. This is today's one, this is last week's one, so if you haven't watched last week's one you can look at it here, and the code will also be provided with a link. So let's get started with today's video. Open the code editor. We drag in the folder like that. Open up the files that we need, which is the HTML and CSS file. We won't be needing the scripts today. Yep, this is all you'll need. This is the HTML file used for the markup of the web page, in other words, the structure. Up at the top here we have doctype HTML that tells the browser, so Chrome, what type of file it is, and this is a HTML file. This is a HTML tag, so everything inside this is HTML, and the language is obviously English. The header tag is used for all the administration, so none of this will be actually shown on the web page apart from this bit, the title, which is shown at the top here. And the link provides a link to this CSS file. The CSS file is used for the styling, it's called a cascading style sheet, and this meta you won't have to worry about for now. And then there's another tag down here called the body tag. The body tag is the body of the HTML page, so it's everything that you see inside. If I press Ctrl U here, you can see the code for this website, and the head tag goes from here to here. None of this stuff you see, but in this body tag, which is much larger, it contains all of this stuff for the web page. Now let's open the web page that we're using today. Basic tags index, that's the one. So at the moment we've got nothing in the body tag, which means there's nothing on the web page. Let's close this. There's nothing on the web page, however we do have the title up here, which we defined in the title tag. Now a tag consists of two parts usually. Let's use a p tag. P means paragraph. So the start of the tag will have an open bracket, the name of the tag, and a closing bracket. And the end of the tag will have the opening bracket, a slash, the name of the tag, and then a closing bracket. And you can see that as an example up here with the title. You have opening bracket, name of the tag, closing bracket, and here opening bracket, closing backslash, and then the name of the tag and then the closing tag. And that applies for almost all tags, but some, like these two here and this one, nope, not that one, because that's a closing tag at the bottom here. These two, it only has one tag. They're called self-closing tags, and it just fits this in here because nothing's going to go inside of it. The reason we have two tags here, we have an opening tag and a closing tag, is because we can put things inside it. As I said before, this is a paragraph tag, so anything we put inside this will be a paragraph tag, a paragraph on the web page. So we've typed this in and saved it. If we go over here and reload, we get a paragraph here saying hello, I'm a paragraph. We can also do headings. Headings are called H1. If you have Emmet installed, just type H1 and press tab and it will automatically do the tags for you. So let's call the title our web page, and if I reload this you can see there's a title called our web page. There's also H2, which is second header, which is usually used for subheads, things like that, which is slightly smaller but still not a paragraph, and it goes up to H4 I believe. So this is a subhead, which is smaller, and then H4 at the bottom. And a quick way to do content is you type in the two curly braces and type in the content inside the tag that you want, subhead, and then press tab, and then it will automatically generate that tag for you, which is even smaller. I think that's smaller than a paragraph, which sort of defeats the object, but yeah. The other tags are A, which is an anchor tag. Here you can see it has an attribute. Now attributes are things that go inside the opening tag to define certain things about the element. All these are called elements also, not just tags. A stands for anchor, and href stands for hyperlink reference. Hyperlink reference gives a path to a file online or on your own file system, like an image or anything. I'm just going to put a hashtag for now, which means it'll just stay on the same page. And then again, inside the anchor tag you can put your content. I'm going to put click me, and then if we reload we get this link here, and if we click on the link it goes nowhere, it just puts the hashtag in the URL. However, if we said something like in the hyperlink reference we put https google.com www.google.com, and we refresh. If we click on this it will take us to Google. So when we click on this link it will go to wherever it says in the hyperlink reference. And this CSS will be explaining next lesson, but that's all for this lesson. I hope this was informative for you. Thank you.